Welcome back to Lighthouse Worship. My name is Hugo. I'm gonna be teaching you guys how to play the song Safe by Antoine Bradford. Love this song, such a good song. Let's get started. The song will be played in the key of D sharp or E flat. We put the K ball on the 3rd fret and we're playing C shapes. Okay, so for the intro we're just playing F, C, G, A minor, F, C, G, and those same chords, it's the same thing for pretty much the whole song. Okay, F, C, G, A minor, F, C, G. Okay, write it down if you have to. So I'm gonna go over the verse. There's a time for love, and there's a time for war, and there's a time for when it feels like you're losing it all. But every time your love breaks my fall, so how could I not give my all to you? That's verse 1. Okay, so playing it slow. F, there's a time, C, for love, G, A minor, and there's a time, so on time, A minor, time for war, F, and there's a time, F, C, on time, for when it feels, G, like you're losing it all, like you're A minor. So on losing, you play A minor, on losing it all. So F, C again. But every time your love breaks my fall, so how could I not give my all to you? So every time you play the verse, at the very end of the verse, you're gonna stay on G. You don't go to the A minor, okay? You stop, you play the G and you let it ring, okay? You let it sustain. Okay, and that's only on the verses, alright? Only on the verses at the very end of the verse. Throughout the whole song, you're switching between F, C, G, A minor. So that's the whole verse except the last part of the verse. And then the chorus. 'Cause if loving you is putting me in danger, I don't ever wanna be safe. 'Cause you have been the greatest gift to me, apart from amazing grace. If heaven and earth collide, I find and bring on the end of days. If loving you is putting me in danger, hey, I don't ever want to be safe. I don't ever want to be safe. Right, so that's the chorus. Same chords, you're playing the same thing. The only difference from the verse and the chorus is that you actually hold the G twice. Okay, you play it regularly. Because if loving you, F, C, in danger, and then G, I don't ever wanna be A minor, safe, F, because you have been the greatest gift to me. So F, C right there. Apart from amazing grace, right there you hold the G. You don't go to A minor, okay? And then you play it again, repeat it twice. And when heaven and earth collide, I find G, ring on the end of days. If loving you is putting me in danger, yeah, I don't ever want to be. Right there you hold the G again, or build a little bit with the G. On the last part of the verse, of the chorus, I'm sorry. I almost forgot to show you guys the strumming pattern. So let's go over that real quick. So if loving you is putting me in danger, I don't ever want to be safe. Right, so this is going to be a strumming pattern for that part. As if loving you is putting me in danger, I don't ever want to be safe. You have been the greatest gift to me, apart from amazing grace. So up down up down, down up down, up down up down, up down up down, down up down, up down up down, down up down, up down, down up down, and that's the strumming pattern, right? You could practice with me if it helps out. Practice with me. At the end of the song, there is this outro that is a little bit different, but it's just a tagging of the last part of the verse of the chorus. So after you sing the chorus for the last time, you'll be doing verse 1, you'll go to chorus, verse 2, and then you will go back to chorus, and then you do your outro. I don't ever wanna be saved. I don't ever wanna be saved. No, I don't ever wanna be saved. No, I don't ever wanna be safe. So right there, as you can see at the very end, you play the chorus regularly, but at the very end you want to go, no, I don't ever wanna be safe. A minor, G, and then C. I'll sing of your love, I'll sing of your grace, I'll sing